Hi, welcome to Chabrasi. Myself, Amdeep Singh Oberoi. Today we are here at one of the luxurious property, which is called as an Purva Clermont. Also, this is developed by Puravankara. So this is a sample model. Whereas if you speak about the land parcel is developed into 2.25 acres of land parcel. Whereas they are coming up with 4 residential towers. If I speak about the 4 residential towers, there would be tower A, B, C, and then D. Also, if you see the structure over here, which is ground plus 8 story, that is a commercial structure. So, if I speak about the configuration of these towers, the configuration in tower A, B, and C are similar, which contains only 3 BHK apartments. Also, if I speak about the carpet areas for 3 BHK, the carpet area would be starting from 975 carpet area, ending up to 1019 carpet area. Whereas in Tower D, so Tower D contains only 2 BHK apartments. The details regarding the 2 BHK, as they are very limited apartments, so you'll be getting after clicking on the link below. And if I speak about the pricing of this property, the price range starts from 2 crores 37 lakhs plus plus. So if I speak about the parking areas in this project, the parking areas would be 2 level of basement car park with 1 level of podium car park. So there are some amenities on the ground level, which is 30 plus amenities. Also, if I speak about the second level of amenities, which is on podium level, which is sharing between all the towers, as well as if I speak about the third amenities level, which is on the rooftop. So if you see, the best thing regarding this property is you get all kind of bifurcations, what all quality has been used to your home. So if you can have a look. Hmm. So come, let's check out the sample flat of this property. So if we open the door, we are getting a blue star technology over here. If you have seen the lights, it has been directly turned on. So it's a remote control sensor in all the flats. So this is a living and dining area of the flat. And if I come back to the configuration and the carpet area, the configuration is 3 BHK, whereas your carpet would be 1019 carpet area. So this is the kitchen area of this flat, whereas you are getting both side parallel platforms over here. So if you check out the another side of this flat, here is your common bedroom. And exactly next to the common bedroom, there is a common washroom over here with a shower area. And opposite to the common washroom, there is a master bedroom over here, the semi-master bedroom. With an attached washroom over here. So here is your main master bedroom area, where else you get a lavish bedroom area with a small safety glass, toughened glasses, as well as the full French windows. If you come down and check over here, there is a dressing table designed over here, or else you can design according to your requirements. And the attached washroom over here. Thank you for watching my video today. I hope you like this video, and please do like, share, subscribe. And also remember, for more details, you have to click on the link below regarding this project. Thank you. Bye bye.